Hello guys, good morning. I'll jump on and do a quick video about Mantle MNT token. Not sure what this token does, but I know it's been quite talked about in recent times, so I just want to have a look at basically do a top-down analysis and see where we are and where we are potentially headed to. As we always do, we start off on the yearly and then we go on the monthly chart and just mark out the monthly levels. Got one there. Got another one here. This has been tapped already, so this level will be not as strong. And on the bottom, we have one here, which is a full monthly level. Another one here, untapped level. And then we have another one very strong here. On the weekly basically we just refine the levels. So we've got one there. We've got one here. This is a tapped level again. And then we have an untapped level here and an untapped level here. Also, I think the most important one will be this order block here, which is a weekly order block. Let's get the opacity a bit higher. Okay, and now what I want to do is mark out the trading range, because as you see, this token since February 2024 has been basically trading in a big range. This might be confusing. Let me just I'll explain it in a second. So this is the top of our range. I'm gonna do this with red. And then we have the bottom of our range down here. And we will do this in green. Okay, and then I just want to mark out this level here. And then this level here. I think this should be red again. And the one down here, red as well. Okay, I can delete this range now. So guys, objectively, if we look at this chart, we can confidently say that this has been in a range for quite a while now. We are on the monthly chart and this coin's been ranging for 27 months, 832 days, 23 days. Now, when it comes to trading a coin like this, you have basically two options. At the moment, we are going into the supply area. So the supply area means that people who bought here, let me just get my pencil tool. So people that bought here will be looking to exit here to sell there. Now this is going to be big players, you know. I know for smaller players, if you buy like $500 worth of this coin and then the coin does 2x or whatever, for you is maybe not enough, and you will be probably looking for a 10x or 5x or whatever. But people who put millions in these coins, to have 1 million gain in 5 weeks or so, that is a good profitable investment, I would say. So we are coming into a supply zone, and because this supply zone has been rejected many times, there, I'm expecting it to reject again. Now, if we are to think about getting on board with this coin, we have two options. So we either get on board if this range breaks out. In order for this coin to break out, we will actually have to go above 17131 and hold on a weekly basis above that to consider it a valid breakout, because anything that happens in between, so let's say we break out here, this can be a deviation. A deviation can cause it to go back down to a supply area. So that's either the first, let's mark this here. So we either buy higher on a breakout and reclaim of this level, or what I suggest you do, not financial advice, obviously. If we are to top here or wherever we are to top, let me just get the golden pocket up. Let's say we are topping here, or let's say we are topping somewhere over there. I will be looking to buy down here in the 80 to 90 cent area because of the confluence that we have. If we put on a daily chart and do a volume profile, now I'm not saying this move is already finished, but it might well be because it just tapped the monthly level. So if this is the local top, I will be looking to add to my bags down in this area here. So basically in between 78 cents all the way down to 70 cents. You could have a few orders there or whatever, and then if you buy there, guys, you will know that if this coin decides to break out at some point, basically do something like this and then go up, you know, you could take some profit here, or you could just wait for it and see the reaction when it gets up here. Because, you know, if this coin decides to to have a breakout, then it could potentially go much higher, who knows where. What I'm trying to say is, as long as you are trading in a range, treat it as a range, treat it as such. I know everybody's like very bullish now because Ethereum's broke out and all that, but if you buy here, what are the chances for the price to go and retrace 80 cents, for example? Because as you see previously, all these moves that are very impulsive, you know, these sharp moves up, they always end up correcting. So this is not a move that you would like to participate in when it's so high. You know, a healthy move would look something like this. From here, like that, and then go up and then up and then up. You know, if you have something like this, then this is usually what happens. And the reason that this happens is because people buy here and then they slowly capitulate until it goes down to where it originally started. So basically this area there. What I'm saying, guys, not financial advice, obviously. If I was you with regarding Mantle MNT this coin, I would either buy higher or I would buy a retracement anywhere in the 70 to 80 cents area. If we get even below that in this green box, then I think that is a must buy, and just because it's a strong support and you know you can get some good gains. Let's just take an average. That's a 2x here. Okay, guys, that's all. If you like this video, subscribe, like it, and you can request any coins that you want me to analyze in the comment section below. Until the next time, take care.